Hello children, this is Prasanna. In this video I am going to discuss you some sums in 2.1. Coming to the question, solve the following simple equations. Here in the first one 6m equal to 12. Here m is what? Variable. In this we have to find the value of m, and always m is called as subject also. The value what we are finding here is subject, and subject should always lie on the left side. Here m is also already it is in the left side. 6m is nothing but 6 into m equal to 12. Now we have to use here transposing method. When plus transpose to other side it will become minus. When y minus transpose to other side it will become plus. When into transpose to other side it will become division. When division transpose to other side it will become into. Now here I have to keep m on the left side. Remaining numbers I have to take to the other side. So transpose. So what is m here? Here 6 is under multiplication. When multiplication transpose to other side it will become division, right? Now m is nothing but 6 1s are 6 2s are, so m is nothing but 2. If you substitute m is equal to 2 in this question, here this is check, right? 6m equal to 12. Now 6 into what is m you got here? 2 equal to 12, that is 6 2s are 12 equal to 12. Here you get LHS equal to RHS, right? Coming to next, 34x is equal to minus 51. So 34 into x equal to minus 51. Now when multiplication transpose to other side it will become division. Here minus 51 by 34. And 34 and 51 will go in which table? 17 table. 17 3s are 51, 17 2s are 34. So x equal to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Next, 7th one, 2x by 3 equal to 18. Here 3 is under division. When it transpose to other side it will become multiplication. So 18 into 3 it will become, right? So 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. So what is x here? 54 by 2. When you cancel with 2 table you will get 27. So x is equal to 27. This is one method. Or here you can write 2x by 3 equal to 18, no? 18 you can write by 18 by 1 children. Then you go for cross multiplication. You know cross multiplication. So 2x into 1 is nothing but 18 into 3. So 2x into 1 is nothing but 2x. 18 3s are 54. So x is equal to 54 by 2. When you cancel it, you will get 27. So x is equal to 27. You can do in this method or this method. Next, 8th one, 3x plus 1 equal to 16. Here what is the variable children? X. And here we have to find the value of x. Here 3x plus 1 equal to 16 is the question. I want x should be on the left side only because it is a subject. Now here plus 1 I will transpose to that side first. So 3x equal to 16 plus 1, when it transpose to other side it will become minus 1. So 3x equal to 16 minus 1, how much? 15. Now I have to remove this 3 now. So 3 into x, so it becomes, when it transpose to other side it will become division. So x equal to 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So what is x value children? 5. Coming to here, 13 minus 6n equal to 7. Here what is the variable? M is the variable. So I want to keep this term on the left side only. So minus 6n I am writing like that only. 7. This plus 13 when it transpose to other side it will become minus 13. Now minus 6n equal to 7 minus 13 is how much? Minus 6. Okay. When both sides minus is there you can cancel, because when it transpose also it will get a plus only. Okay. So 6n equal to 6. Then what is n children? 6 by 6, that is 1. N equal to 1. When you substitute n equal to 1 in the equation, this LHS you will get RHS as 7. And here coming to here, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. 7x equal to minus 9 I will transpose to other side. So 16 minus 9 it will come, here plus 9 it will become. So 7x equal to 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. Then what is x? 25 by 7. Here any cancellation possible? No. So what is the x value? 25 by 7 is the answer. Coming to next one, 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Here what is the variable? X. So 8x I am writing here. I want to take this plus 5 by 2 to that side. So it will become minus 5 by 2. So 13 minus 5 by 2, right? Here we are having a subtraction of a whole number and a fractional number. So convert this whole number as a fraction by keeping 1, 13 by 1. So 8x I am writing as it is. Here it is a fraction of unlike decimals. So you have to take a LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 is how much? 2, right? So 1 how many times it will go? 2 times. So 2 into 13, 26 minus 2 how many times it will go? 1 time. 1 5 is 5. Okay. So 8x is nothing but 26 minus 5 is how much? 21 by 2. Now just now I told you can keep by 1 here children. Then do cross multiplication. So 8x into 2 equal to 21 into 1. 8x into 2 is 16x is equal to 21. Then what is x? 21 by 16 is the answer. Any cancellation possible here? No. So x is nothing but 21 by 16. Coming to here, 4x. X is a variable here. I want to take this minus 5 by 3 to that side. 4x is equal to 9 plus of 5 by 3. Okay, plus 5 by 3. Here the addition of a whole number and a fractional number. Convert this whole number into fraction by keeping 1 in the denominator. 9 by 1 plus 5 by 3. Okay. Now take the LCM. So 3 is the LCM. 1 how many times it will go in 3? 3 times 3 9s are 27 plus 3 how many times it will go in 3? 1 time 1 into 5 5. So 4x is nothing but 27 plus 5 is how much? 32 by 3. Now any cancellation possible? No. Now keep by 1 here. Do cross multiplication. 4x is equal to 4x into 3 is nothing but 1 into 32. 4 3s are 12. 12x is equal to 32 children. So what is x here? X is nothing but 32 by 12. Any cancellation possible? Yes. 4 8s are 32. 4 3s are 12. So x is nothing but 8 by 3. Last sum in this exercise children, x plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 1 by 2. Okay, x plus 4 by 3, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. To 3 plus 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay, now x we have to find the value. I will take this plus 4 by 3 to that side. So when you transpose, plus will become minus. Okay, now x is equal to here, you will take LCM because it's subtraction of two fractions. Whenever subtraction and addition are we have to go for LCM. Okay, what is the LCM of 2 and 3 here? 6, because 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. So 2 how many times it will go in 6? 3 times. So 3 7s are 21 minus 3 how many times it will go in 6? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. So x is nothing but 21 minus 8 is how much? 13. 13 by 6 is the answer. When you substitute 13 by 6 here, you will get 3 1 by 2 only. If you want, you can check children. Try to do check for each and every sum. Here this is the question, right? Now in place of x, I will give 13 by 6 plus 4 by 3 equal to how much? This is 2 3 is 6 7 by 2. Okay, here I have to find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is how much? 6. So 6 1 time, 1 into 13 13 plus 3 how many times it will go? 2 times. 2 4s are 8 equal to 7 by 2. 13 plus 8 is how much? 21 by 6 equal to 7 by 2. 21 and 6 will go in 3 table. 3 7s are 3 2s are. So here you are getting 7 by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2. That is LHS is nothing but RHS. Okay, like this you can do check for each and every sum.